Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Pibase network. This network is backed by Pi ecosystem. So if you have not started mining it, link in the video description. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share, so turn on the bell notification. You can as well follow us on Telegram channel for first-hand information. So right now I'm going to show you how you can do your KYC on Pibase network. Before we go into the KYC process, I'm also going to show you how to start mining this project. So here you can see mining. Tap on it. You need to mine every 24 hours, just like every other project. You mine every 24 hours, and once your referrals are not active, you ping them to be active. Right now the only active members I have is 2, and this is the place where you click you will see your invite link. You share it with your friends and family, and this is the bonus for mining, which is 0.1, and the current mining rate is at 0.1. so every 24 hours you come back here, you click on this peso and you start mining. So take this Pibase extremely serious. Take it extremely serious. So over here, this is the app. You can do deposit, you can withdraw, you can trade. This trade is the real pie that you can trade here, and you can as well invest. So it is less for you to use it, do your KYC, so that you can have access to all these features. Yes, once you pass your KYC, you can use this feature for any other thing apart from even mining. You can use it to withdraw. You can see this wallet asset. This is the real pie at the 0.649. this is the current pie of real pie, and this is the pie bridge, which is at 0.008. the USDT, the VNDC, and every other asset you can imagine is here right now. So for us to do the KYC, you can see this play that say KYC your account. Tap on it, and they say this is the account verification. To begin the verification process, please have your identity document which are of the same owner as Pibase accounts, already passports. So this is where it comes. Make sure you use any name when mining any deepin project, so that when you do your KYC, it will not be difficult. So look at what they said. You begin the verification, so please have your identity document which are of the same owner as Pibase account already. So if you have different name, it's going to affect this. So they say features with KYC, you can see it is on none. So you have to do your KYC with basic KYC, ID card or passport, and advanced KYC, verify Pi wallet or top up USDT. So you're going to click on this start basic KYC, ID card, passport. So here is the thing. You need to verify your account. We are going to choose any of these. Either you choose ID or you choose passport. I'm going with ID. Then the ID card or passport number, you're going to put the ID card number or the passport number here. You're going to put your full name. You're going to put your full name, and you're going to put your date of birth and the country. You're going to put your country. You know your country. Look for your country and put it there. Selfie with identity card. So take this selfie, take it in a room with enough light. So this is how you are going to take the selfie. You are going to hold your ID card. Can you see this image? You are going to hold your ID card, and you are going to write your date of birth in a piece of paper. You hold it together, the front ID card, you hold it together, then you take the selfie. Make sure that the selfie will capture the ID card and your date of birth. Look at what they said here. Have your ID card and the paper, write Pi B, then date, month, year, replace it with today's date. So you're not going to write any other date except today's date. Today's date is today is 3rd June 2025. That is the date I'm going to write, and hold it. Make sure that your whole document is in the frame as well as the face. Nothing can be concealed. So this is how we are going to take the photo. Now I'm going to write it down, then I will take a selfie. We'll continue. So, and after taking this is the front, You are also going to take the back picture, then you continue. Here you are going to click on this image, plus you need to add your front ID and the back ID. That is the things you are going to do, the front and the side. Then you add it, then you click on now, you click on the submit. So once you submit it, after snapping the pictures and the ID, once you submit it, they said your request has been accepted. The review time usually takes 48 hours or longer if after working hours. The system will notify you when your request has been approved. So I've submitted my information, my data is already there, and they have accepted it. So once they approve it, I'm going to know. If it passed the process, I'm still going to know. If I did not get the process, they will still notify me and I will repeat it. So once you're going to do is to click on OK. So that is it. Your KYC request is being processed. Please wait for the results. So I'm going to wait for the results. I'll still check after 48 hours to know my fate. So that is it for this video. If you have not started mining this project, link in the video description. Do your KYC and wait for the official listing and keep mining. You see here you have the P2P where you can sell your coin, sell or buy coin, whichever one you want to buy. You can buy here. You can sell USDT, you can sell Pi. You see marketplace, this is the marketplace. Everything that you can get here is this place. Your favorite merchant. You can even buy goods like wristwatch, like any other thing. Here you see the clothing, the real estate, the consumers electronic, the clothing and beauty. So anything you really want to buy is here for you. This is the investment section. This is the investment. You earn interest on your assets. So if you want to lock up your asset to earn interest, you can as well do this on this project. So this project is packaged with a lot of goodies, a lot of features. So do not miss this project for any reason. Link in the video description. That is it for this video. If my KYC is accepted, I'll still let you guys know. So thank you guys, and see you guys in our next video.